It's a video me I do, you know.
Oh.
Me have a thought, like what go on in the world now. I think say like the billionaire them and the trillionaires, them give big service to the world in terms of them own a big mega machine them. We are gonna provide millions of goods to supply the world and the money turn. Or even if they want to do it in a microwave. But at the end of the day, for them money rotate throughout the world and do enough big business, all type of different things. So what me I see, like with the digitization of things and them, trying to have a certain control or can have a certain control over people, money and people resources, it kind of put the world at a stage where it is like the system trying to control the people and then take care of the people how them see fit. Or leave the people, make the people evolve by themselves and everybody do what they might do and live their life. They don't believe in that.
True.
And you know why they don't believe in that? Because you see the advent of AI and robots, when people start get access to this AI's bag of information where them can do a lot more things and them start get the robot them too. Because people can buy a robot for themselves. People will start get more money and start pull back some of the money there, some of them trillions and them millions there, then start pull it into. So people start get independent and people start build for them own society and for them own group and for them own nation and expand them own self. So it's like if people get the opportunity to do that, inevitably down the line it will cause a problem because you're going to have more people like the elites and them are going to lose enough of them power to the new set of elites them. And it can go on where them can become a victim just like how them that make the people them a victim. So it's like when you're looking forward, you can say them are going to have certain type of problem down the line, so them are try have a certain control over the world and them just be the elites and decide who can grow and who can't grow.
Slavery.
Yeah, so it's a different type of slavery and a different type of control of people. But it's by the elites them because them are trying to secure for them place or for them lifestyle. And for them do that is to keep people in a certain way or give them certain opportunity. Because if you give them the opportunity, then them will become your for them problem. So it's like them people are decide to take over people's life because they don't want to get the opportunity to grow to the maximum. You can achieve the maximum money you can achieve. If not get the opportunity to do that. Because if you do that, you ever get power. If you ever get certain power, then you eventually will go and become a problem to the system. Because them are going to lose. Yeah, them always want the power. They want the power for themselves.
Always they beneath them, below them.
I know something to think about. And you see where it run. You see if you find out say if we not have wise mind and people who can see what go on and can understand, because them not going to say it. And them something are hidden agendas and how people do them thing. But when you have vision, you can see. You can see how things are going white and what them are deal with. Because to me, the ultimate thing in life is to be free. Freedom, so you can live your life and achieve and enjoy it and grow and who want to save and who want do things for coming generation can do it and but the type of society where them are trying to create at the end of the day is something for have total control over people.
Take away all your freedom.
Take away the whole of your rights. Mm-hmm. So they say you have a different type of freedom fighter. Because of somebody have to see.
You're going to be like a yes people.
Yeah, somebody will see.
Yes.
Yeah, but you have to have somebody where you see. to destroy it or for change it. Because it, no matter what go on, it can change, you know, and it have to change. Because the people is always more than the government. So probably that's why they are coming with robots and certain things. So if you try to balance it out, because them say you have more robots than people. Because you can manufacture them just like that, so and those material. You can't have enough of them. But it's very sad to see how the elites and how the government, where the people them elect, take away all of the people them want all of the people them rights and they want to dictate how people live their life. So you see them want to elect them and put them in, and then them go in and want to tell you how to live. And you know how to live. Because people know how to live, you know. People know how to live, and nobody not have to tell nobody how to live. And everybody have them different ways and different style, and that is humanity. Everybody can't be the same. But everybody different, different agenda and like different things and involved in different things. We have our new set of warriors. We have good meditation and just the almighty powers that will run things right now. The almighty powers. Something to think about.